OpenHands Daytona AI has just hit the market, and if you're here searching for what makes it stand out, you've come to the right place. In this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this software that's taking the AI world by storm. Stick with me till the end, because I'm not just covering the basics. There's a game-changing feature you need to see that could completely shift the way you work with AI. But first, if you're curious to try OpenHands Daytona for yourself, you can grab a completely free trial through the first link in the description below. Now, let's dive right into it. What sets OpenHands Daytona apart from other AI tools? First off, the user interface. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complex AI dashboards, Daytona simplifies the process. It's built for ease of use, which makes it an excellent option for beginners or those new to AI-powered tools. With just a few clicks, you're able to set up and get working right away. That simplicity doesn't sacrifice power though. Daytona packs a punch under the hood, making it an excellent choice for more seasoned users too. Now let's talk about one of Daytona's strongest features, its ability to handle data in real time. Whether you're using it for customer insights, predictive analytics, or anything in between, Daytona gives you up-to-the-minute results without delays. This real-time capability is especially important for businesses that rely on timely decisions to stay ahead of the competition. Another thing that makes Daytona stand out is its flexibility. The software is incredibly adaptable across different industries and business models. Whether you're in digital marketing, e-commerce, or even the financial sector, Daytona integrates seamlessly with your existing systems and software. It's an AI solution that doesn't force you to change your processes. Instead, it complements and enhances what you're already doing. But here's where it gets really interesting. OpenHands Daytona uses advanced machine learning to optimize your workflows. This means that the more you use it, the smarter it gets. Over time, it learns your patterns and preferences, enabling it to make more accurate predictions and automate repetitive tasks. If you're looking to save time, this is a huge plus. If you're running digital marketing campaigns, Daytona's automation features are a game changer. From content creation to lead generation, Daytona can streamline your operations. This isn't just about automating tasks, it's about doing them better. For example, its predictive capabilities help forecast which campaigns will generate the most ROI so you can focus on what works. Now, a standout feature that you might not find in other AI tools is Daytona's collaboration features. It allows teams to work together in real time with live updates and shared dashboards. This is ideal if you're part of a team and need to see what everyone is working on, or if you're managing multiple projects at once. Let's not forget about the security side of things. OpenHands Daytona has top-tier encryption and data protection, which is crucial when dealing with sensitive information. If security is a concern for you, rest easy knowing Daytona takes this seriously. Finally, one of the most exciting things about Daytona is its pricing structure. It's not often you see a new AI software that offers so much at such an accessible price. With the free trial available, it gives you a risk-free way to test out the software and see if it fits your needs. In summary, OpenHands Daytona AI is a powerful, flexible tool that offers a range of benefits for anyone looking to integrate AI into their business. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its simplicity, real-time data handling, and advanced machine learning features make it a standout in a crowded market. If you're intrigued and want to give OpenHands Daytona a try for yourself, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've gathered my top recommendations for AI software that you can also try for free, so be sure to take a look. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, check out the other AI tools linked below.